This is syllabus. This is over now. Now let's come to business point. How it is business point? Yeah, this. So business point. This is all environment. Like we have. It's like it's technically how it is working. Now business concept of testing. Business concept. How it is. Like we'll take one example. Your name is
Chandu.
Chandu. Okay. Chandu using mobile. Using what? Mobile and purchasing what you like, purchasing gift for girlfriend, okay, or diamond, huh? For girlfriend, okay. Now this is one scenario. Now he will be accessing mobile, okay. He chosen one product and click, and it takes to payment gateway. No,
Payment portal.
payment, yeah, payment technically gateway. Go to payment portal, okay, payment portal, and you paid the money. You paid, huh? $1 lakh you paid. Okay. Now this will go to the API of you are using Amazon. Hmm? This is one environment. Now second, what happened in Amazon will create a API. Will create a API of Chandu.
Already there will be some APIs, no?
No. There is API, but Chandu API is not there. Already there are APIs, but Chandu API is not there. Not Chandu just came now. So they will create Chandu API, and this API they will attach to their S3 server. So now Chandu will be directly contacting with S3 server. Now there is no interfere of bank and Paytm because you already paid, certificate API has been created. Then they will say yes. Now what happened? This is scenario of 2 August 2018. This is scenario of 2 August 2018. Now on 5th September of 2018, you again want something.
Yeah.
So what will happen? Already API has been created. This API will just make a round as a testing that this candidate is same or not, and it will approve your product. This is how the business requirement is.
So in the first
That's
time the API will be created.
First time the API will be created on your Chandu name.
Okay.
So this is how our business requirement of API. So that's why there are a lot of requirement is there in mobile testing. Mobile testing work for two reasons. One, it is testing also, and another is testing is security also. One is testing also, and another is security also. Because suppose second time when you are coming second time, so second time it is not creating, it is getting testing.
Yes. Second time it is testing.
Testing. First time it is creating, second time it is testing and with security. Same person or not? Same person or not? Oh, same person. Same person. Oh, he has the money or not? Oh, he already paid. He already paid. In this way, it is. So it's working like a human. So now this Amazon is working with some seller product, some seller company. Then they are working with logistic of Singapore. Then logistic of India. Then Chandu. Then Chandu. Got it? So nowadays, even they have created on product, they have created a scanner also. QR scanner also they have created on product. So what they say? They say to Chandu, you scan the product. Once you get the product, you scan. Means it is get confirmed. The cycle has been confirmed. Oh, Chandu ordered for this product and he got this product. So this is the business requirement, and scenario can be different way. This is I just explain you what one retail scenario. The scenario can be different way. It
So
can be.
somebody is asking also about AWS environment.
If they are asking AWS environment, then this the previous diagram what you have seen now, that 6 6 12, then that 12 must be in AWS. AWS server, AWS database, AWS data source, AWS client, AWS mobile and devices in this way. AWS business process. A business process also differ with environment. If environment is Microsoft, then business process differ. That is also is there. So in this way, that is because of so hardship. That's why our requirement is there. Yeah. No, don't stop. Continue. Because of hardship, our requirement
This
is there.
S3 is not related to any web services.
No, S3 is just an environment. Suppose one company is using S3, like mostly in Latin America, they are using Amazon. In Europe, they are not using. In Latin America, they are using Amazon. So, if suppose you are purchasing from Brazil, so they will be using S3. And Microsoft usually Asia, Microsoft, this Azure. And Google is usually America. And Europe is totally open source. They are using all open source. Europe is number one in open source. So this is the business. Yeah. This is the business one. Yeah, close now.